It's just us now. Let's make a pact not to leave each other behind. I was thinking the same thing.
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat.
These clothes look harmless.
Who?
Whoa, what was that? Let's pull.
Get me out of this box. Thanks, guys.
How did you get in there?
The ghost up there trapped me inside. Oh no! The ghost is mad and changing into an angry ghost. Drive!
Do you remember Tiger Shark from part 1 of our series?
Oh, what happened? I'm back home. That book brought me back home? Whoa! Wait till the guys find out. Welcome home.
You made it home, bros!
Yay!
Whoa, my monster trucks are back. And who's this monster truck?
Oh yeah, that must be a new one. He teleported back with them? Who is this zombie? Whoa! Well, we're glad you're back, right, Munch?
Yeah.
All right, Playtime City friends, we found our monster trucks. Woohoo!